Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to demonstrate how to take a screenshot and save that as a picture file. And then you can take that picture file and upload it or insert it anywhere you want. I'm using a PC with Windows 8.1 and I'm using Microsoft Word version 2013. Let's say that I want to take a screenshot and make it a picture file just of this particular area that I'm circling here, this little part of the ribbon up here. There are two different ways you can do that. One way is to take a screenshot of the entire picture, rather a picture of your entire screen, your whole window, and then crop it down to the section that you want to keep as a picture. The other way to do it is to use your snipping tool if you have such a tool. If you look at down at the bottom here in my toolbar, I have a little scissors with a circle in it, and if you click on that, that's a tool that comes with Windows 8.1. If you click on that, you can use the snipping tool and just cut out a picture of just what you want exactly. But not everybody has this tool. So I'm going to close that, and instead I'm going to do the print screen feature, which everybody has if you use a Windows computer. So if you look at your keyboard, in the upper right corner of the keyboard, roughly that's where it usually is, there's a key that says PRT SCR on it, and that means print screen. So right now, if I just, it doesn't matter where my mouse is, I can just press down on that print screen button. I just tapped it. And then if I want to paste that picture into this document, I can just press Control V, the letter V for Victor, or I can right click and get the shortcut menu and just click paste. And it will paste a picture of my entire screen. That's what print screen does. So now all I have to do, I don't want this whole thing, I just want a portion of it. So I'm going to click on this picture, this screenshot, to select it. And when I select it, if I go up here, I have picture tools I can use. So I'm going to click the picture tools pink area. And what I want to do is crop this down to size. So I'm going to go over here on the right hand side and click the crop button. And notice that when I do that, the edge of the picture, all around the whole edge of it, has these little black bars. There's this one here, and then there's one over here, and there's even one up here in the corner. So what I want to do is just sort of click and drag these little bars. I have to catch it just right though. I have to make sure that the mouse cursor looks like this. It's like a little bar with a thing sticking out of it. It's kind of hard to describe it. And so you have to kind of grab it when it's the right picture or cursor. Click and drag it in like this, and this dark gray area is the area that's going to be cut out. So let's say I want to cut out that whole piece, and then I also want to come over here to the left side and click and drag to cut out that piece. Okay, let's see how that looks. I'm going to click outside. Okay, so that part has been cropped out. Now I want to crop out this whole bottom area. I just want the tab area up here. So again, I'm going to click on this to select it, and then I can access the cropping tool. Click crop, and it shows me where I had cropped it before. And I'm going to go to the bottom and grab the bottom cropping resizing handle and move it up here. Okay, and then I'm going to click away in the blank area, scroll up just a little bit, and so this is now my picture file. So if I want to save this as a picture file, this is my screenshot cropped down to the size that I want, and I can now right click on this, and if I go up here on the shortcut menu, there's this option here, save as picture. So I'm going to left click, save as picture, and there are different places I can save it to. So I'm going to navigate to where I want to save it, and I'm going to give it a name. just going to say ribbon, give it a name. And right now the default setting as far as Windows 8 goes, or Windows 8.1, the default setting for the type of picture file that you can save it as is the PNG or PNG file, which stands for Portable Network Graphics. Now if you want to change that, you can click the drop down and pick JPEG if you would rather do a JPEG file, or a GIF file, graphics interchange format. You don't want a bitmap because that's a very old way of doing it, and it's very megabyte heavy and it doesn't usually look very good. So I would stay away from bitmaps. And the best way I think to do it is either JPEG or PNG, Portable Network Graphics. So I'm going to stick with Portable Network Graphics. Usually it's easier to upload files like that, and just call it the ribbon. And I'm going to click Save, and it has been saved. You won't see that name up here because this is a document. This is the title of the document I'm in, but now if I go to the folder where I saved this, I will see a picture file there with the name ribbon, and this is what it would look like. So you could then upload that file anywhere you want. Thank you for watching.